now approaching Canary Wharf. Any passengers for Canary Wharf, please disembark at the front of the boat for Canary Wharf. Any passengers for Greenland Surrey Quays or Mast House Terrace, please make yourself known to a member of staff at the bar. Once again, any passengers for Greenland Surrey Quays or Mast House Terrace, please make yourself known to a member of staff at the bar. We're now approaching Canary Wharf. Passengers disembark at the back of the boat for Canary Wharf.